Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Atelier Resleriana, the red Alchemist and the white Guardian game crashing at startup, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing or other issues on PC. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart your PC and Steam. So for that, go to Steam. Now click on Steam option over here, then click on exit. After this, click on the Windows icon, then click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your system. After your system restarts, now check if the problem is resolved. If not, next solution is to modify launch options. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general here, you need to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and see if it helps. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then launch the game and see if it resolves the problem. Here I am showing you the example as I have not downloaded the game. Next solution is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where it has been installed. Select your game application, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility, then click on run this program as an administrator, then hit on apply and OK. Now check if you can launch the game. If not, click on run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7 and then click on apply and OK and then check if the problem is fixed. If not, select disable full screen optimizations and then click on apply and OK, and after that check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. For that, go to Steam, here click on Steam option. Now click on settings, then click on in-game. Here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option is enabled. You simply need to click on it to disable it, and after that launch the game and see if it's working. For GeForce Experience, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, try to launch the game and see if it helps to fix the problem. If not, next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now go below expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and now click on search automatically for drivers. This will search if there is any update available for the graphics driver. After updating it, check if you can launch the game. NVIDIA and AMD users, just go through the link that I have already provided in the description and update your graphics card and then try to play the game. Next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on firewall and network protection, then click on allow an app through firewall. After that, click on change settings and here you need to search for the game if it's listed. If not, click on allow another app and click on browse, and here go to the game folder where it has been installed. Select the game application and add it to the list. After adding it, select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After this, try to play the game and see if it resolves the problem. Next is to check graphics settings. So when your graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues as it plays a vital role. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphics settings to avoid the unwanted issues. Next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now you will go to the Windows update. Here you need to click on check for updates and it will search if there is any update available for the Windows. If there is any update available, update your Windows and then try to play the game and see if it helps. If not, next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, copy the link that I have already provided in the description. Just copy it and paste it in your browser. After that, download and install the files and then restart your PC and then log into the game to check if you can play it without any problem. So go to the web browser. After you paste the link, now go below and from here you need to click on it to download the Visual C++ files. After that, install the files on your system and after installing it, try to launch the game and then check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. After that, here you need to search for the game if it's listed. If not, you need to add the game over here. Click on add a desktop app, then go to the game folder where it has been installed, select the game application and add it to the list. After adding it, now here you have to click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you need to select high performance. After selecting high performance, launch the game and see if it helps. If not, next is to change virtual memory settings on increase virtual memory settings. For that, go to the Windows Search for view advanced system settings. Now under advanced, click on settings and click on advanced, then click on change. Then on here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. Under custom size you need to type 12288 and in the maximum size you need to type 24576. After that click on set and then click on OK. Now check if you can play the game. If not, the final solution is to reinstall the game. So for that, go to the Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option over here. After uninstalling the game, now restart your system. After restarting Steam and reinstall the game that were across various issues. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Atelier Resleriana, the Red Alchemist and the White Guardian game crashing, not launching, not loading or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.